Welcome back, guys. I'm actually making another video. I'm in my garage right now. It's pretty cold, as you can see. I don't have much in the way of heating because it's just cold. Haven't really done much of a video because England's been in nothing but lockdown or tier 4 or whatever the next restriction is, so that's not ideal. However, this video is to show you me replacing my mirrors. So at the moment, as you know, the OG M2, the standard N55, comes with the base spec shit mirrors, so they're non-M mirrors, and I think they look like shit. So I'm going to change them. I'm going to make them into the proper M4, M2 comp style ones, but I'm doing it on a budget because I'd like to try out things that are cost effective. So I like value for money. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you what parts I've bought, where from, how to fit them, hopefully not how not to fit them, but we'll see how it goes, and how they look overall. So let me show you what the new parts look like. So these are from carjackedstore.com, a guy I found on Instagram. Funny story, I was actually going to be buying some of these 3-piece units off of AliExpress.com. Yes, the Chinese cheapo stuff. And what I discovered was that these 3-piece units, they're not just the mirror caps, they're the full 3-piece units, seem to be going substantially cheaper on the AliExpress China site than other big brands that sell equivalent mirror caps. Well, the 3-piece mirror sets. As you can see, nice China stuff. But in all fairness to Carjack store, it was open that they're sort of from a similar supplier, but he showed me photos of the quality, and you can see these are proper carbon. I'm a sucker for carbon. You can see how they reflect in the light that they're real carbon. And he did all of this for me at, I would say, more than half the price of an equivalent large brand that does these types of mirrors. I'm not going to name names, I'm not here to put down anyone. All I'm trying to do is give you a bit of consumer advice, and we'll see, once we fit them and get them on, how good are they. My thought process was, well, they look exactly the same and they're half the price. What can go wrong? So let's find out. So we start by angling the top of the mirror upwards, and then only at the bottom, prying it from the bottom very carefully with a trim tool. And this is the process so that you don't break them. There is a weakness on the side. That means if you do it from the side, you will break them. Okay, it's a bit dirty behind there. That must be where the spiders live. Oh, fuck's sake. Right, put that there for now. And then we take off these connectors, minding the fucking spider eggs by the looks of it. They're a rough bitch to get off. There we go. There we go. Right. One mirror successfully removed without breaking it. Then what we need to do is get the top casing of the mirror off. If you're a Neanderthal like I usually am, you just yank it off. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to slowly release each of these little clips in here. There's like little squeezy clips. You squeeze them inwards gently, and that will release it. If I use the trim tool again. Oh, for fuck's sake. Well, that went really well, didn't it? It's alright, it's only mildly scratched. What were we saying about Neanderthal? Anyway, the next thing to do is you've got your motor here, and what you need to do is unscrew the centre screw here, and then take this out, and you can then unclip the electrical connector. So we're going to use this little Torx, don't know what size it is, sorry. Right, screw. Put it somewhere safe. And then behind here, in fact, let me try and show you. Behind here, you have little tabs to be able to eject the motor from the casing. So you've got like a little tab there. You just need to push it down. That pops out like that. Another one in there. I need a screwdriver for that. And then it pops out the other side. Next thing to do, this is your final screw. Right, and that enables this bottom bit to come off. So, easy does it. This just unclips out of there. Let that rest. And that just sort of sits inside these little, I guess, pongs and connectors and stuff inside there. This one on the end I found was really important to line up. You'll see where it lines up when you get it in there. This is probably how not to guide, to be honest. Beautiful. We then need to attach our motor back, put the screw through, put the connector back in. put a mirror glass back on. Can't remember what way around these go, so I'm going to have to check the video back because I'm an idiot. Right, I checked the video back, it was brown bottom, black top. He hopes. Got to line up obviously all these tabs and things to what's in here. Got to be really careful in this bit. He says being an absolute moron. I'm always scared of this bit. And we're done. Okay guys, so for the price I paid, which is basically £150 from Carjack store, got myself some really good replacement mirrors, real carbon. They look good, they fit well, they're better than just those caps that go on the front in my opinion. Yeah, they're a little bit finicky to fit, but meh. So I'd really recommend that. Nice little mod, makes your M2 or any F platform BMW look a lot better, and I hope you agree. Hope you like the video, and that's a guide how not to install those mirrors. But hopefully catch you on another video soon. Cheers guys.